Tired of everyone seeing your Instagram stories? Today, I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram story with just one specific person. It's all thanks to Instagram's Close Friends feature. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Close Friends. This is where you'll build your exclusive story sharing circle. If it's your first time using this feature, the list will be empty. Tap on Suggestions at the top, or search for the specific person you want to add to your close friends list in the search bar. Once you find the person, tap the circle next to their name to add them to your list. A blue checkmark will appear to show they've been added. After you've added that special someone, tap Done in the top right corner. Now, let's create a story just for them. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to begin to add a story. Create your story as you normally would, adding photos, videos, text, or whatever you like. When you're ready to share, look for the Close Friends option at the bottom left with the green star. Tap that. That's it. Your story will now only be visible to the people on your close friends list, including that one special person you chose. Remember, when you view stories yourself, you'll see a green star at the top when it's a close friend story. This means the person sharing knows you're in their inner circle. Now you can share those extra personal moments without the whole world watching. Enjoy your newfound Instagram privacy.